Hello everyone, it's Mudit and this is the 8th video of the game. So in this video I was going to show you how I make the sun. So I have one simple image right here. It doesn't actually have to be an image, it can just simply be a circle in the game itself. You can make it without an image as well. But in the image I have more control actually. So it's an orangish image, it may not look like a sun by itself, but I'll run the script and show you. So what happens is that image is placed in the sky and it always faces the camera. And yeah, this is how it looks. And the thing is, it doesn't look anything like the image. That's because we are not placing it normally. We are, see for example, if you take a look at this box, if this box was not here, then the pixels that it was covering would have a blue or green color, right? Because it'll have the sky or the grass instead. So when the box is placed, it replaces the color of the background with its own color. But for the sun, it doesn't work that way. For the sun, it adds its color to the background. It doesn't replace it. And that's why it makes the area brighter than its surroundings. And that's the way it looks like an actual sun, but it'll look much better when we put some filters and some light of its own. In the next video I'll make some lights, but lights are not exactly there in computers because in real, if you think about it, the light has infinite bounces and infinite rays and all that, so you can't actually program that. So the way we make lights in games is, for example, if you can see, the sun is this side. So for this box, the left side faces will be brighter than the right side because the right side faces of this particular box are not facing the sun. So we'll just simply make it brighter and darker, and we will later on add shadows as well. So that's it. There can be shine as well. Shine is also calculated similarly. It is calculated based on camera direction, surface direction and sun position. You don't actually need multiple light bounces and all that. So that's it for this video. I hope you'll like it. And I also randomly placed around many boxes right here. But this is all temporary. After some time we'll decorate the world actually, like properly. We'll place trees and we'll place houses and all that. It'll look much better. So thanks for watching and I'll see you all in the next video. And bye.